Hi guys, it's Phil here from Pablo and Rusty's. Don't know if you noticed. I'm going to talk to you today about the world's first specialty coffee pod machine, the Morning. We just got this delivery from outer space, guys. It's the most technologically advanced, most customizable machine, probably a lot smarter than your espresso machine at home, and definitely a lot smarter with less attitude than your barista. So we're just going to talk through a few of the unique features of this specialty pod machine, and then we're going to test this bad boy out on some of the staff here, see what they think. Some of the main features of this machine, the massive digital display where you can store all your pre-selected shots and easily just move from side to side, being able to select the extraction that you want. We're able to dial in our extraction weight. This is the amount of liquid that ends up in your cup. We're able to dial in the type of pressure during the extraction. We're also able to dial in the temperature and the temperature profile of the extraction. So this just creates a super stable extraction, which is what we find in commercial espresso machines, and just something that we don't have in pod machines currently. Ultimately, the best way to control the machine is through the application that comes with the equipment. So we've already done all the testing. We've dialed in each of our blends and other coffees. We've uploaded those recipes to the app, so all you need to do is download the app, press the button on the recipe you want, pop the pod in, chuck your cup under, drink the coffee. So we don't need to go into too much depth at home. We don't need to play around with it too much. It can be as complicated or as easy as you like. So one of the unique features are the scales that are inbuilt into the pod machine. This allows a very accurate measurement of the final beverage that you have. General pod machines will have some sort of cheap flow meter where it's guessing the amount of water that they pass through the pod. This one tells you exactly what has come out the other side, which is better data for the consistency and quality of the extraction. Another pretty cool function of the machine is the hot water spout. With this, we're able to dial in temperatures for tea if you want. If you're into green tea, you can dial that temperature down a little bit. What I like to use it for is just adding hot water to my long black. So I'm not actually pulling more water through the pod, which over extracts the coffee. I'm able to just chuck in a bit of hot water just to lengthen the shot and open up the flavors a little bit as well. It's pretty cool. All right, so we're down in the training bar now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna run a side-by-side comparison of the Morning pod machine versus one of its competitors using the Trailblazer pods. Let's go around now, see if people can pick up the difference.
A little bit better in that one, a little bit better balanced in this one. Yeah, I think I definitely prefer this one. Number one for sure.
Pretty good crema on both of them. Nice and bright. A bit more acidity coming through. Closer to an espresso than I would expect from an espresso machine.
Extraction's a bit different, but I like it. This one. I feel like this is a bit more watered down, less punchy in flavour, in my opinion.
So the first one, you get a little bit more sweetness, just a bit more balance.
Oh. Next up. Just better clarity and flavour. Fuller. It's good.
Coffee's quite smooth, balanced, good levels of acidity in this one. Almost as good, just a little bit more watery and less texture.
So what we know from that little experiment is that most people preference the Morning machine. A couple of people preference its competitor, and that's okay. That's personal preference. The thing with the morning machine is we could probably dial in to their personal preference, and then they'll just end up choosing this machine. So that's what it's great for. So that's the morning machine. If you want to find out more, click the link in the description. Otherwise, subscribe, like, watch the video again. Feel free to share any videos of me with all your friends. Like, subscribe, click the link. Like, subscribe, click the link. Is that it?
That's it. That's it.
The morning machine. The best. The best. Pretty good.